Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your downloads in Google Play Store are stuck on pending on OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. First of all, let's make sure that there are no internet issues on our smartphone. Let's outrule internet connection issues by entering any web service like your social media application or maybe a web browser, and let's just search for something random in our web browser, anything. And if the internet is working correctly, then what we need to do is hold the finger down on the Google Play Store application on the home screen, then select App Info. Then in App Info we're gonna have to go to Storage Use and then clear the cache and the data of the application. After that, restart your phone by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time and swiping the circle up to restart, and then wait until the phone is restarted. And after the restart, re-enter the Google Play Store and try to download whatever you tried to download before once again, and it should be working normally right now. Let's just wait for the Google Play Store to reload, as it will take a couple of seconds hopefully. And let's try to download any application that we have here, maybe this one. And let's see if it works this time. And as you can see, the installation has started, or the download at least, and from now on everything should be working fine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.